So we are going to see now your assignment number 2 of probability. Very first sum. In cricket, Rohit hit century in 4 innings out of 10 innings. Find the probability that he did not hit a century. तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को वही चीज लिखना है, probability of event, number of favorable outcomes, is it number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, so what is our first sum? That in cricket Rohit hit century in 4 innings out of 10 innings. तो find the probability that he did not hit a century. अगर 4 में वो सेंचुरी मार रहा है तो वो कितने में सेंचुरी नहीं मारेगा? So that will be 10 minus 4 and total number of outcomes is 10. So answer is 6 upon 10, or you can also write it as 3 by 5. And second, a coin is tossed 50 times, in which 23 times heads come up and 27 times tail comes up. Calculate the probability of each event. Now what I am going to do is, ये था आप लोगों का first sum, then second यही रहेगा, लेकिन ये भी वही रहेगा. Now I am going to rub this out so that you can easily calculate other answers. For that, first of all, यहाँ मैं second कर देता हूँ. Second का जो first event है, probability of event getting heads, वो होगा आप लोगों का 23 upon 50, and probability of event having tails, that will be nothing but 27 upon 50. Mind well, ये चीज यहाँ पे भी आएगी, ये चीज यहाँ पे भी आएगी. Now third sum. 50 families with 2 children were selected randomly and following data were recorded. Number of girls in family, अगर 0 है वैसी 10 families है, 1 है वैसी 32 है, and 2 girls हो वैसी 8 families है. Okay, so third sum, if the family is chosen at random, compute the probability that it has 2 girls. Probability of event 2 girls कितने हैं? 32, and total number of families are 50. 32 upon 50 can be written as 16 upon 25. Then probability of event having 1 girl. 1 girl वाली कितनी families है? 1 girl वाली families है. Sorry, यहाँ पे 2 girls वाली 8 है. I'm extremely sorry. So यहाँ पे आएगा 4 upon 25. Then 1 girl वाली 32 है, तो 32 upon 50, and your answer will be 16 upon 25. And last year question asked is no girl. So no girl के लिए probability of event is 0 girls. 0 girls वाली कितनी family है? 10 upon 50, and hence it is 1 upon 5. Next, your fourth sum. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 400 times. 2 heads, 400 times with following frequencies of different outcomes. 2 heads, कितनी बार आया है? 100 times. 1 head 220 times, and no head 80 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. So fourth sum मैं यहाँ पे करूँगा. Probability of event कितने heads हैं? 2 heads. तो ऐसे कितने हैं? 100. और total number of times coin कितने टाइम्स हुआ है? 400 times. तो answer is 1 by 4. Then probability of event having 1 head, that is 220 upon 400. This gone. 2 11s are 2 20s are. Answer 11 by 20. And last, probability of event having no head, that is 0 head, वो कितने हैं? That will be nothing but it is 80 upon 400. This gone, 8 1s are, 8 5s are. Answer 1 upon 5. So that's your first 4 sums. Now next, the marks obtained by स्टूडेंट इन 5 टेस्ट आर एज फॉलोज, मतलब यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स जो है वो आपके क्या होंगे 5. So if one of the test is chosen at random, find the probability that the student scored more than 90 marks. पहला ऐसा है more than 90. वैसे कितने हैं? एक ही है तो 115. Then scored between 70 and 80. तो 70 और 80 वाले कितने हैं? 1 2. तो 2/5. लेकिन यहाँ मुझे कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट अ मोमेंट, आप लोग वेट करो जरा. મને છે ને તે એક કટકો આપી આપને. Just a moment. अरे वाह,
सुना था कि पंखा तो चालू था तारीख खोल तो तेरे जरा लेवल खोल मैंने जरा हवा नहीं दे रही चालू सा भाई.
So our fifth sum, what is that fifth sum? Fifth sum is you are asked if one of the tests is chosen at random, find the probability that the student scored more than 90 marks. More than 90 marks वाले कितने students हैं? Only one. So 1/5. This is your first greater than 90 and scored between 70 and 80. तो 70 and 80 वाले कितने हैं? दो ही एग्जाम है तो ऐसा लिखने का 70 and 80 के बीच आप लोगों के कितने हैं? 2/5. Next is your sixth sums. 100 seeds were selected at random from each of 5 eggs of seeds and were kept under standardized condition equally favorable to germination. After some days, the number of seeds which had germinated in each collection were counted and recorded as follow. ये हम लोगों ने assignment 1 में भी देखा था. यहाँ पे confusion के लिए आप लोगों को दो चीज दी है. One is 100 and another is 5. लेकिन आप लोगों को consider क्या करना है? Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes will be 5 only. So the eggs दिया है 1 2 3 4 5 and number of seeds. एक में है 76, 89, 65, 58 और 85. So more than 60 seeds वाले कितने हैं आप लोगों के? More than 60. तो 1, 2 and 3. So more than 60 में क्या होगा आप लोगों का? Probability of event greater than 60. तो you have 65, 76 and 89 and even 85. So answer is 4/5. Then less than 60 in a bag. तो एक ही ऐसा है तो वो क्या है? 58 वाला है. So probability of event less than 60 will be 1/5. And last, more than 90 seeds in a bag. More than 90 seeds तो है ही नहीं तो 0/5. Answer 0. Impossible event. चलो next is your, ये था फिफ्थ वाला. देन सिक्स्थ वाला. ये है सेवेंथ वाला. At a fair 70 boys, 80 girls, 20 men and 30 women have come. मतलब टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने होंगे? 70 plus 80 plus 20 plus 30. तो 70 plus 80 150, 150 plus 50. टोटल आउटकम्स कितने हैं? 200. Find out the probability that a person selected at random, the prize winner is a woman. Woman कितनी है हमारे केस में? Women are 30. So probability of event winning woman will be 30/200. 3 upon 20 is your answer. Again, mark my words. ये चीज यहाँ पे लिखनी पड़ेगी. Okay? चलो now. Next is 8th sum. The distribution of weights of 50 students in class is as follows. मतलब बच्चों का weight दिया है और कितने बच्चे वो weight के रेंज में हैं वो आपको दिया है. 50 to 52 kg में 10, 50 to 54 में 12, 54 to 56 में 13 students, 56 to 58 में 9 students, 58 to 60 में 6 students. So find the probability that a student selected at random weights 50 kg or more. 50 kg or more अगर आप लोग देखोगे तो last two you will see. So 9 plus 6 and that will be 50. Now how many total number of students are there? Total number of students are 15. So probability of event equals to or greater than 56 are कितने students है? 15 upon 50. This can be written as 3 upon 10. Okay? Now next is your 9th sum. 9th sum. A bag contains 40 balls of same shape and weight. ठीक है? कितने 40 balls है? तो total number of outcomes होगा आपका 40. उसमें से among the balls 18 are red, 12 are yellow and rest are blue. तो 18 plus 12 होता है 30. तो 30 plus 10 वो कितने होंगे आप लोगों के? Blue balls. ये yellow और ये red. What is the probability that the ball drawn at random from the bag is blue? तो blue कितने हैं? 10. So 10 and total number of balls कितने हैं? 40. तो आंसर क्या आ गया? 1 upon 4. Okay? Sure. That was very simple. Sum number 9 it was. And now the last sum of your this exercise, or what we say, this assignment number 2. A box contains 100 cards marked with number 1 to 100. If one card is drawn random from the box, find the probability that the number on card is a multiple of 7. Now pay attention. Probability of given multiple of 7. अब आप लोगों को पता है कि 1 to 100 के पीछे नंबर है. अब 7 के इतने कैसे मल्टीपल्स होंगे जो लेस देन होंगे 100? तो 7 14 98 होता है. अगर 7 14 98 है, उसके बाद 7 15 देखोगे तो it will be 105. तो that will not be in our case of 1 to 100 numbers. तो टोटल नंबर कितने हो गए? टोटल नंबर मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 होंगे 14 upon 100 and that can be written as 7 upon 10. Okay? Then a number smaller than 30. Smaller than 30 वाले कितने होंगे? 1 2 3 4 up to 29 होंगे. So कितने नंबर्स आएंगे? Probability of event less than 30 numbers. Less than 30 numbers जब आप लोग देखोगे तो you will see that will be 29 upon 100 and उसी का थर्ड पार्ट देखो, probability of event. A प्राइम नंबर, कितने सारे प्राइम नंबर्स होंगे? अगर आप लोग देखोगे 1 to 100 में you will find number of prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. ऐसे जब आप लोग कैलकुलेट करोगे तो you will find that total number of your prime numbers between 1 to 100 will be कितने होगा? Can anyone tell me? That will be nothing but 25. Total prime numbers between 1 and 100 will be 25. So 25 upon 100. So answer is 1 upon 4. ठीक है? that's the end of your exercise or assignment number 2 of chapter 15, that is probability. Thank you very much.